Hi, my name is Sarmista. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a form validation using PHP. It's also called a server-side validation. Let me show you how it works. There are three fields: name, email and message. If somebody without filling any of this input box, somebody clicking on submit, then error will show that name is mandatory, email is mandatory. If somebody is filling with special characters like this is 1 2 3 4 and also email like online, then also it will throw you the message, error message like only letters allowed, invalid email format. So if I will click proper name and proper mail ID, and this is the optional box, so I can write anything. If I'll click on submit, all the data now is submitted properly. If you want the complete source code of this project, then please comment me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel as it gives me a motivation. Thank you.